So hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Quickly Revise. And in this channel I'll be telling you about so many exams and so many topics to share about IES and different kinds of questions which are asked in there. And I'll be discussing very important topics on how to read them, how to solve questions, how to crack IES, especially in most probably in your first attempt, but definitely you will have to grind yourself a lot. And there are certain strategies which I'll be discussing which are provided completely for free on my channel, whereas you will be getting such questions, answers and many other things which will be like available on the complete internet for a bulky price, which you will be getting here for really free. There are many different students who always ask me how to prepare. They don't have any idea, so I have started this channel to bring all different types of things all together so that you can practice, you can get the basic idea done into your mind of how to get started, where to get started, and what all books, what all things to read from, and basically the complete idea of the structure you will be getting without paying any fees, without anything. And there are a lot much more interesting facts, things and many things coming into picture. This is what I am thinking is that this will be not limited to a particular field. Rather, I am combining certain subjects which are required for different fields like electrical, mechanical, electronics, such kind of things. So yeah, definitely check the channel out and come and let's see. So there will be many topics and especially specified through the particular titles, and you can go through all the list, like whatever branch, whatever topic will be there and it will be specified in the title itself. You can go through it and check out the video. So thank you so much. Hope to see you soon on my channel. So keep subscribing and subscribe it right now and click on the notifications so that you will never miss it. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.